Hey guys, Repairman for Life here today. I hope everybody's doing great. Today I want to talk a little bit about this new gun that I picked up. It's a Paslode Compact Framing Nailer. 689199. That's going to be your item number if you get it from Lowe's. Then you got your model number and all. That's a model F325R. Part numbers are 513000. Like I said, I picked this thing up today at Lowe's. I got the Harbor Freight here. Finally quit on me the other day. Jammed a nail up in there so bad we couldn't get it apart. So anyway, went ahead and picked up this compact one. Seen it down at Home Depot, but they didn't have one in stock. The Lowe's didn't either. Local, I had to go out of town to actually purchase one. And I did notice that online when people reviewing it, they said it didn't come with a, I don't know if it's something that's been changed and added, but this fitting here that goes into the gun, that comes with it. That's actually like a 3/8 by quarter. And if yours does not come with it, you're gonna have to get you a 3/8 by quarter bushing and then screw you a 1/4 inch into that to be able to hook your 1/4 inch air hose into it. First impression, super light. Probably, I don't know if it's, I hadn't weighed them, but it feels half as light as this Harbor Freight one. The gun measures probably from here to here around 12.5 inches, and from here to here somewhere roughly 13.5 inches, guessing. But first impressions, without even using the gun right out the box, I think I'm really gonna like it. I bought a swivel while I was at the Lowe's. Went in and picked up one of those swivels, thinking that may help, you know, move around and not hang up in between the joists and stuff. What you get with the box when you open it up, I got the gun, you get the directions, you get a pair of safety glasses, and you got 2 clips of nails, galvanized. They measure 3 inch, paper clip nails, 30 degrees. But I think I'm gonna really like this gun. Going to be using it some more, framing up some walls. We ought to have some video of that. And went ahead and picked up some galvanized nails while I was at it. And I did purchase one of these. This is what you're going to need if yours does not come with it. It should be like a 3/8 and then just reduce it down to a 1/4. And then you can put your regular 1/4 back into it. But as you can see, it's probably 1.5 inches to 2 inches shorter that way, and it's at least 6 inches shorter on the clip. Now you can only hold one clip in this thing. You can only hold one clip in it. I think a lot of people probably didn't like that, but I mean, far as getting in between you know, rafters and stuff like that, this is going to be perfect for it. And if you want to sit there and get your nails back out, you're going to need to pull in and push that down so it'll catch right there, and then you slide that nail right back out. But I think I'm gonna really like this gun. Plus, another thing that I like is the actual hanger there. Hang it on the side of your nail bag or your pants or something there, instead of having that one that's 1.5 inches or 2 inch that hangs on the actual joist. And this thing only weighs, I think, a little over 5 pounds. So, and I think in the big ones probably on average are at least 8 pounds at least. But yeah, if y'all got one of these, I mean, drop me a comment what you think of it. How's it held up, you know, with your everyday working with it. I don't do framing every day, but I've had this Harbor Freight for a while, years and years, and I mean, it's held up, but finally it just finally conked out. But You know, drop me a comment. How's yours held up your Paslode? Do you regret buying it? I mean, are you happy with it? Drop me a comment and let me know how yours has been doing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, consider subscribing, guys. Like your video, share it. You know, help us grow our channel. Trying to get to this 1,000 subscribers so we can continue to bring y'all some content to YouTube. Hopefully some videos that's going to help somebody learn something. Guys, I hope everybody has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.